Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm making very basic simple hummus recipe. The recipe is very easy and simple but can rock the party. So let's get started. Take 1 cup of dry chickpeas. Wash chickpeas really well. And I'm going to boil chickpeas into the electric pressure cooker. Stove-top pressure cooker can be used as well. Add washed chickpeas into the inner pot of the electric pressure cooker. Salt. And for 1 cup of chickpeas, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The manual suggests way too much water, so I have my own measurement. And I'm going to set the pressure cooker to 40 minutes. Alright, let's check the chickpeas. Allow the pressure to release naturally so the chickpeas are nice and soft, well boiled chickpeas. Check with the fork and look at this, and the cracks itself shows me that they are perfectly boiled chickpeas. Carefully drain them out. Now to prepare the hummus, I'm going to take 2 cups of boiled chickpeas. Now if desired, you can remove the skins of the chickpeas to make super silky, smooth hummus. Sometimes I remove the skin, sometimes I don't if I'm in a hurry. Some kids are really good at doing this job, like so. Alright. Another key ingredient for making perfect hummus is tahini paste or tahini sauce. Tahini paste is basically the paste of sesame seeds, very healthy, nutritious tahini paste. It adds amazing nuttier flavor to the hummus. And now it's time to prepare the hummus. Into the food processor cup, add boiled chickpeas. Next, tahini paste, and I love the taste of tahini paste, but you can add as per your preference, a little bit more or less. Few cloves of garlic, salt. Here I have giant lemon. Squeeze right into the food processor cup. Wow, very juicy. Alright, and ready to blend. Let's check. Let me show you how smooth it is already. But now add olive oil to make it more smooth. And whip one more time. And the hummus is ready. Now as you can see, it looks smooth, silky, little bit after adding olive oil. Ready to take out into the serving bowl. Smells so good here. Using the back of the spoon, spread in a little bit of style, like so. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the top as well. For the decoration, and just to give a hint what is this hummus made out of, I love to throw some boiled chickpeas on the top. For some heat, I love to add crushed red pepper. You can sprinkle paprika for a little bit of color as well. So the crushed red pepper flakes. And now the hummus is ready to serve. Hummus is served best with pita. You can make the fresh pita bread at home. I have already shared the video, or you can just get the store-bought pita bread. And another thing, I love to serve this hummus with some vegetables, finely chopped vegetables like onion, tomato, cucumber, olives, and sometimes feta cheese as well. So take the pita bread. You can actually literally spread the hummus all over the pita, and then it's like top it up with olives, cucumber, tomato, onion, and into the mouth. Nothing can beat this appetizer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your mobile devices like iOS, Android and many more. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, or YouTube app itself if you have the smart TV. Thanks for watching and see you soon.